fell heavy into your arms. These days of dust, which we've known, will blow away with this new sun. And I'll kneel down, wait for now. And I'll kneel down, know my ground. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. So break my step and relent. Will you forgive? I won't forget. Know what you've seen with him less. Now in some way shake the excess. I will wait for you. 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 I've been trying to do it right. I've been living a lonely life. I've been sleeping here instead. I've been sleeping in my bed, sleeping in my bed. So show me family and all the blood that I will bleed. I don't know where I belong, I don't know where I went wrong, but I can write a song. And I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. I belong with you, you belong with me, you're my sweetheart. Feeling my way through the darkness, guided by a beating heart. I can tell where the journey will end, I know where to start. Tell me I'm too young to understand, say I'm caught up in a dream. Life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes, that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's all over.